I think we can put on our fire hats. You wanna?